This is Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining, here to bring you another product review. Today we're going to be talking about roller covers. One of the biggest questions that people ask is, which roller cover do I use for painting my walls? There's a lot of different products out there across every manufacturer and a lot of different materials that they use. One of the first things that you can do is always look at the label. Most of the different products will have a description about what it's best for. Not only do you have to worry about the type of product, but you also have to worry about the thickness of it. Our go-to product is going to be the Purdy Marathon. This is going to be something that's made to hold a lot of paint and also perform well without leaving too much stipple on your walls. The type of product this is a nylon polyester finish. So this is going to perform for all paints and be an overall really high quality roller cover for you. Pricing for these will vary between $5 and $7, but if you're looking for something that's going to perform across all types of products, go with the nylon polyester finish. When you start talking about other options out there, you will see different things. Polyester is going to be a little bit cheaper, and this is recommended for paints only. So if you're trying to stain your house, you're going to want to avoid using something along those lines. Stick with the nylon polyester blends or the microfiber finishes. The microfiber finish is what we consider the best for a smooth overall appearance on your walls. We don't like to see a lot of stipple or overall texture to your walls, so the microfiber we have found has been the best performing product on the market right now. There are a lot of different options out there. The biggest thing to take a look at is what the roller cover is made of, and then also how thick it is, which we will cover in another video. This has been Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and how-tos.